Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just made a video on this exact thing with part one. This is part two. I said in that video that you could do it with the polygon tool. So we're going to grab the polygon tool and we're going to set our polygon on, let's say 16. That'll be 16 points of the polygon. And then take your shape tool and select all the nodes with the shape tool though. So maybe pick it with the, so we've got them all selected now. And then we're going to right click and turn them into a curve. And by doing that, whenever we bring in that side, see it's doing almost the exact same thing. And you could play around with this, you know, and when you got your handles and make the curve a little more. And what it's doing, if you look at it, is doing all of them, every one of them. So it's almost the exact same. Maybe a little bit easier for some people. We'll make it that same thickness that we have on the other one. That's too thick. Make it black. And there you have it. Those look pretty identical. And the good thing is it's still a, polygon. So you could actually take it and make them a little bit deeper, which you could on the distort tool too. But you from what I've seen, like the sound waves, it's, even up and down. Kind of cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.